Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Harvey from Black Forex Traders. So I'm back with another YouTube video. So in this video I'll be analyzing some currency pairs for you. So as you can see here, this red tagged currencies are the ones that I'll be analyzing. So I'm gonna start with DAX here. Let me include the watermark. So as you can see here, I have DAX here. So as you can see, I have something like a QML pattern here. So I already analyzed this one, so I didn't have time to remove and start again. So as you can see here, this is the pattern that I'm anticipating DAX to complete. So as you can see here, it's everything that is there that I want. As you can see, I have the first shoulder, then I have the break of structure here. Then now the market has to give me the lower low. Then they can start to move up back to the supply zone. Then that's where the chart will start to drop again. So this 15 minutes time frame. So let's move to Euro USD. This is Euro USD. I'm going to start from daily. So as you can see, Euro USD on daily, they took the previous low, which was this one here. They took it out to create a new lower low with the spin here, meaning that they were clearing stop losses here or pending orders around here. So for now I'll be focusing on this part here. So as you can see, we have this part. This is the part that I'll be focusing on. As you can see, we have a first movement here to the downside, to the upside, then the downside here. So I'll go to 4-hour time frame. As you can see, on 4-hour time frame, this is what I have. This is the pattern that I have. But for me, let me remove this. As you can see here, we have this previous highs here, right? So as you can see, then this is our break of structure here. Then this becomes our QML level and also our order block here. So let's go to 1-hour time frame. Let me zoom it out. So as you can see, this is what we have. This is what I'll be working with this week. I'll be waiting for the chart to reach this level here. So as you can see, they already gave us the FRT here. So I won't be focusing around this level here. So I'll only focusing once they reach this part here. This will be the part that I'll be focusing on. So this will be my trade for this week. So I'll wait for them to push the market up. So if they go down, or anticipate them maybe to come here. As you can see, they have this previous low. Sorry about this. They have this previous low here. Which was broken to create this lower low. Then they broke up. Then they took this this higher high out, then to create a new one. So it's more like a vice versa pattern here. So if they can go down a little bit, maybe to this level, that they continue going up. So if they come to this level, yeah, I'm gonna buy the trend and go up with them until they reach my second setup, which is the sell point here, which is the supply level here. So this is the setup that I have on Euro USD. So let's move to shall USD, which is gold. Let's go to 3-hour time frame. This one I already analyzed, so I just want to explain everything. So as you can see, if you are watching my videos, you can remember that I analyzed this pair to come here, I think like 3 weeks back, for the chart to come here. So as you can see, on Friday the NFP pushed the market up towards my QML level here. So once the market opens, I'm just anticipating them to just come a little bit to this level. Maybe they give you a spike or something, then they start to drop. So I don't know how long they're gonna drop, but I know that if they start to drop, I'm gonna make profit on that sell. So this is the setup that I have on gold. So let's go to Gbpusd. So Gbpusd already, it was analyzed. As you can see, we already have something like an imbalance here, which is the topic for another time, but I'll be focusing on this supply level here. On this supply level, this is where I'll be waiting for the market to reach, then I'll start to sell them. So even if I go to a higher time frame, this level still hold. As you can see, if we use this as our break of structure, which it is, then this is our order block here. Then we're just waiting for the market to reach this level, then we're gonna take the chart down. So let's move AUD/USD. I think I also analyzed this one. Yes, it is. As you can see, also it's the same thing. The patterns this week, they're more similar. So even on this one, as you can see on daily or H4 time frame, you can see that this is a downtrend movement here ever since this high here. Ever since this high, it has been pushing down. So now I'm just anticipating them to do what? To come to this order block. This is a 4-hour order block here. If you use the 4 hours, it's gonna be here. If you use the 4-hour order block, it's going to be like this. Then this is our break of structure here to create a new lower low. Then now we're just waiting for the market to push here, then they continue with their sell. So we're just waiting for the push to the upside, then we take the sell. So this is our H4 order block here. So when I go to smart time frame, I just readjust the lines here, this box, but eventually around this level here, this is where you look forward for a sell. So then you're gonna take the trade there. Then let's go to GBP card. Okay, let's start it. So I think this one is also I think today I forgot to remove all of this, so I'm just going to explain them. Also the same thing here. If I go to daily, this is the huge candlestick to the downside. Then when you go to a 4-hour time frame, you can see break of structure. Then I used the last consolidation before the first movement out of this consolidation point here. Then 3-hour time frame, you can get our order block from this break of structure here. So it's the same thing here, just waiting for the market to push up to this order block here, or the supply, whatever you want to call it. Then from there you're going to take the market down. So this is another setup that I have, which is GBP. So the last one would be GBPAUD. It's the same thing as GBP, they don't differ that much. So as you can see, also this is our order block here, because this is our break of structure. Then you can see we have a huge candlestick here which has an imbalance in between, but for me, I will be focusing on this supply here. I'll be focusing here, then I'll wait for the market to push a little bit up to this level. Even if we go to a higher time frame, you can see this is a pin bar on our time frame. Same thing, this is the order block. Just to go there, then continue with the sell. So that's all for today, guys. I hope this helps you, and may you enjoy your week and trade success.